Hello and welcome to my channel, Design by Josephine and Josee. And today's video is an elegant blue and white tablescape video. Now, this video is all about this elegant and sophisticated blue and white tablescape. And this video is a tutorial on how you can create a beautiful tablescape for an elegant dinner party. But before I get into all of the details of this beautiful tablescape, I wanted to say that if this is your first time watching one of my videos, I want to say welcome. I upload videos once a week on my channel, and if you are into tablescapes, home decor, gardening, and how to entertain at home, then you can definitely subscribe to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber and you're watching one of my videos again, I want to say welcome back. Please be sure to check out all of my other tablescape videos. And I also have some gardening videos as well, and also some fashion and style and beauty and makeup videos as well. So now let me go ahead and get started on the tour of the table. So, of course, I am going to start off with the tablecloth. And if you have been watching my videos for a long time and you are a subscriber and you are a friend here on YouTube, then you know that I love to add layers with my tablescapes. And so the first tablecloth is a light blue tablecloth, and then the second tablecloth is a lace tablecloth, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. I also wanted to mention that my mom and my fiance helped me with this beautiful, elegant, magnificent, exquisite tablescape. And as you can see, this tablescape look absolutely gorgeous with these beautiful plates and matching napkins. And as you can see, the plates and the napkins have hydrangeas on them, blue hydrangeas, and some butterflies as well. I also added the matching water glasses and blue wine glasses as well. I have also used Royal Downton silverware and a white charger plate that have lace detail on it. I also added some blue and white hydrangeas and some yellow flowers, and also some flowers that have a green color to it. I also added green garland as well for the centerpiece. Now, as for the napkins, these are cloth napkins with a pearl napkin ring. If you enjoy this elegant tablescape, please comment down below. Let me know what you think. Now, I do have more tablescapes. You can go on my YouTube page to check out more videos of elegant, sophisticated, magnificent, exquisite tablescapes. And so now let me go ahead and continue with the tour of the table.